We manufacture self-growing planters. And what they do is that they grow your food with no human intervention. You see that planter right there? All I did was put my seeds in that planter. I put my plants in that planter, and it literally grows my food for me. Okay? So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 growing melons. Growing in 20 inches. My name is Darrell Addison. I'm the founder and inventor of a growing system called Torpedopot. These are self-growing planters, and what they do is that they grow your food. If you see my earlier videos, you'll see that we're growing approximately 60 melons in just, I don't know, 20-something feet. And it's fully automated. They grow by themselves with no human intervention. You never water, you never feed, you only supplement. All you have to do is put your seeds in or put your seedlings in, walk away for the rest of the year, and it grows your food for you. You plug up a little hose in the back, you turn a knob in the front. Well, these Torpedopots are designed to build the biotic environment in the soil. They're designed to take that soil and make it so perfect for the plant that the plant literally falls in love. And that's what they do. And they do it so well. And I have so many melons to choose from. I eat healthy every day. My Torpedopot, my self-growing planter, well, it grows my food for me. I never have to water. I take care of my plants again in my life. I only supplement, and I see small weeds like this, and I pull it out, and that's it. But otherwise, they grow perfectly. A lot of people use fertilizers in their to feed their plants, and what we try to tell individuals is that fertilizers they're like a drug. What you do is that you put the fertilizer in, and it goes to the plant's root system, and the plant absorbs it up. But the plant is not going out and reaching and getting its food. The plant is not existing in an environment, a natural environment, where the microbes and the fungus are there to help break down those particulates and make them available to the soil. So you don't have that building soil process. You simply throw your fertilizers in, it goes up into the plant, and it's like a stimulus to make the plants behave in a certain way. Remember now, guys, I have this food here because of my Torpedopot. I'm able to enjoy this meal because I invested in something that's going to change my life. Invested in something that gives me more security like I've never had before. It's called Torpedopot, the world's first self-growing planter. And so I was able to take this off and feed it. Well, just imagine if you had 60 small melons. What would you do with it? I mean, how would it impact your life if you had 60 small melons? Would you be healthier, stronger? Would you feel good about life? Would you allow the Torpedopot to grow your food to change all of those areas of your life? It starts at the food. Get your food together and everything else will work out. These are self-growing planters. No defects anywhere. It's beautiful. All you do is take your seeds and plants and put them in that planter. It grows your food for you. You see that knob on that planter? Oh, that's the self-growing capabilities. It grows your food. And it does it so beautifully and so perfectly than you've ever seen before in your life. So all you have to do is come and pick your food off the vine, and you'll be living like a king. Just imagine what an off-grid system will do for you. A lot of these planters. 9 planters I have over here. Oh, I love this. Oh my gosh, I love this.